Hi guys, welcome back. Here is my newest video, my updated eyebrow routine exclusively for beginners. Here is my routine every time I groom and set my brows in place. As you all notice, it looks more basic and natural because that's my goal. I want to have the thick and natural looking everyday weird brow that is not obvious. For beginners, outline your brow with white eyeliner, creating your desired brow shape. So I love how thick and full my brow looks because it gives me that younger looking and it frames my long and round face. Through my nose line, I make sure that my inner brows starts there, in order to make sure that it's not too near or too wide from each other. So it's time to remove those extras. If you're not fond of plucking, you can always use the alternative way, which is shaving with eyebrow razor or threading. Erase those guidelines and brush your clean brows with eyebrow brush, nice and neat. It's time to fill in. I apply the product with angled brush following the direction of my hair strands like so I make sure that it's not overdone. With the help of spoolie brush, I blend the product to distribute the spaces that needs to fill in. And voila! Here's my basic eyebrow routine, which is applicable to no makeup look, but with thickness and fuller looking brows. Please subscribe on my channel if you haven't yet. Hit the like button, and if you have any questions and suggestions, just comment down below. That's all for now. See you on my next one. Bye!